Well, welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to earn miles with Delta Airlines. If you're a frequent traveler or planning to be one, understanding how to accumulate miles can unlock free flights, upgrades, and other travel perks. Let's walk through the setup process and explore the earning options available to you. First, open your web browser and navigate to delta.com. This is Delta's official website where you'll access everything related to your flights and SkyMiles account. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find several navigation options. Look for the option labeled SkyMiles and click on it. This section is dedicated entirely to Delta's loyalty program, where you can manage your miles, view your account status, and explore ways to earn more rewards. It's the central hub for all things related to your travel benefits with Delta. If you don't already have a SkyMiles account, you'll need to create one. Find and click on Join SkyMiles for free. This will take you to the registration page where you can set up your new account. Delta's program is completely free to join, so there are no membership fees or hidden costs to worry about. Now you'll see a registration form appear on your screen. Fill in your personal details in the form fields. You'll need to enter information like first name, last name, email, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you'll remember, as this will be your login credential for accessing your account in the future. Take your time filling out these fields accurately, as this information will be tied to your miles and travel history. Once you've completed the form, click Join Now. This will process your registration and create your SkyMiles account. The page may take a moment to load as it sets up your new account and sends you a confirmation email. After your account is created, log into your new SkyMiles account using the email and password you just set up. Enter your credentials carefully to ensure you can access your account without any issues. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Next, locate the profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My SkyMiles. This section gives you a complete overview of your miles balance, recent activity, and earning opportunities. Finally, review the earning options under the Earn Miles section. Here you'll discover various ways to accumulate miles beyond just flying. You can earn through booking Delta flights, using co-branded credit cards, shopping with Delta's retail partners, staying at partner hotels, and even dining at participating restaurants. Take some time to explore these options and see which ones fit your lifestyle best. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Delta SkyMiles account and now understand the different ways to start earning miles. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.